sir. Welcome to 5-star hotel. I'm Aldrin, your personal butler. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, I will read the reservation book.
Okay, sir. Let me clear your lobby and please follow me to reception.
Okay, thank you.
After you, sir.
Good morning, sir. I'm Margie Mahista, your receptionist, and welcome to 5-star hotel, sir. Do you have any reservation here, sir?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Can I have your identification card? Okay, sir. Thank you. Upon checking, sir, you booked your deluxe room for 3 days and 2 nights, amounting of 15,000 pesos. And you say it's your credit card. Here's your ID, sir, and here's your ticket, sir. And your room is room number 305, located in the room. And by the way, sir, this is Aldrin, your personal butler. And he will assist you to your room.
Good morning, sir. I'm Aldrin, your personal butler. May I have your key card, sir?
Yes.
Your room number is 305, located at 3rd floor. This way, sir. After you, sir. While we are walking, sir, let me introduce to you the facilities and services of our hotel. We have a breakfast buffet located at the lobby, 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. And we have a swimming pool located at rooftop, open at 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. And we have a gym located at 1st floor and open 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. And here is your room, sir. Let me check first, sir. Room check. Room check. Room check. Room check. Come in, sir. Just insert here your keycard, sir, to activate your electricity in your room. Have a seat, sir.
Thank you.
Would you like me to put your luggage in the luggage rack?
Yes, please.
Would you like me to unpack your luggage, sir?
Yes.
Would you like hang or fold your clothes, sir?
Hold.
Okay, sir, I'm done. Let me introduce to you the amenities in your room. We have a king-size bed. We have a remote, your aircon. You can adjust the temperature. And we have the remote for the TV. You can change the channel if you want. And we have a mini bar. We have a complimentary water. All items consumed will be added to your bill. And we have a bathroom. We have a hot and cold shower, and press the blue for cold and press the red for hot. And we have a towel and toiletries. We have a complimentary tea, and we have a telephone if you need assistance. Dial 1 for reception, and dial 2 for housekeeping, and dial 3 for my direct line. Before I go, sir, I'm Aldrin, your personal butler. Is there anything else that you need, sir?
No.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Ring, ring. Ring, ring.
Hello?
Hello, sir. Good morning. I'm Aldrin, your personal butler. Let me remind you, your check-out is 12 p.m. It's already 11:30 a.m. Would you like me to help you pack your luggage, sir?
Yes, please.
Okay, sir. I'll be there in 10 minutes. Housekeeping. Housekeeping. Good morning, sir. I'm Aldrin, your personal butler. I'm here to help you pack your luggage, sir.
Yes.
checkout, sir?
Yes.
Let's go to the reception.
Hi, sir. Good morning. Receptionist, are you ready for your appointment? Hi, sir. Can I have your card, sir? Thank you, sir. Upon checking, sir, you have maintenance balance of 1,000 pesos, which you prefer to pay cash or credit, sir.
Ready.
Okay, sir. Here is your receipt. And by the way, sir, thank you for staying at the hotel. I hope to see you again soon.
Thank you.
Okay, sir. Would you like me to put your luggage in your car?
Yes, sure.
Okay, sir. I'm done. Put your luggage in your car. I'm Eldrin, your personal butler, sir. Thank you for staying in our hotel.
Here, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, and have a nice day.
Thank you.